So hi guys, good evening. So today I will demo on how to buy Bitcoin or cryptocurrency in Singapore using this CoinHako wallet. So now I'm trying to log in to my CoinHako account, and I need to enter my 2FA code. So yeah, so now I have a 70.99 balance SGD. So I would like to buy XRP. This one. Just go to the XRP and then click buy. Then how much I need to spend? Just buy $65. Then click buy. I don't have any promo code here, so click buy. Then I need to confirm. So yeah, so I already purchased XRP. So going to the history, need to check. I got 83.11 XRP. So and then this XRP I want to transfer to my Binance account. So because I normally do my trading in this Binance platform. So now I'm going to show you on how to transfer my XRP to Binance. So I'm sending it here. Click send. Just put 83. Going to the Binance, you need to get this what to call this XRP address. So you need to go to XRP, then click deposit. Okay, please enter both tag and address data. Okay, click understand. So here there's our three networks, so I'm going to use this XRP network. Copying the tag XRP address and then the tag. Make sure you enter the destination tag, and then just put investment optional. So I have it. So we have a network fee of 0.01 XRP for this transaction. Then click send. Just confirm. So need enter again my 2FA. Okay, then yeah, I need to confirm on my email. So just wait for it. Just waiting for the email confirmation. Okay, now I'm confirming the transaction from my email. Okay. Should be good by now. So yeah, to the XRP. It should be transferred. See, the XRP I transferred 83 XRP is on the way to my Binance. So let's check. It's 6:53 p.m. here in Singapore. Let's see how long will it take to before we receive on the Binance. So no notification yet. I'm just waiting for the notification. Okay, so guys, in just less than 1 minute, I received the notification that the deposit is successful. So I received 83 XRP from CoinHako to my Binance account. So should be good. Just refresh. Just to show you guys that yeah. See, the transaction is completed. So going back to my XRP. And I want to trade this XRP to USD. USD is a stable coin, so I want to put it there before I trade it. So, sell, like I want to sell it 50. So I will be receiving $48. Let's wait. Okay, it's already filled, so I'm got 48 USD dollar already. So that's it, guys. Just this is just a quick video. So thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.